Things dey happen for Nigeria. Meanwhile, citizens are there busy fighting themselves. Where are we are Yorubas, we are from Lagos. You people are not Lagos. Leave Lagos. D. Anyway, the court has said that the $100 million that Dangote paid Lagos state government for the refinery that he got, he said that you people cannot talk about it. Whether you are Omo Lagos or you are not Omo Lagos, so nothing. They don't. All of us don kukuma no be Omo Lagos. Me never ever claim say I be Omo Lagos. So. Now enter. It says Sahara Reporters has this year court dismisses suit seeking disclosure of $100 million Dangote payment to Lagos State. Wow. Why would the court do this? This Nigerian judiciary, they are becoming the criminals now. Because I really don't understand what is going on. Why would they stop that? Why shouldn't it be disclosed? It's government business, and so government business is our own business. There must be accountability and transparency. First of all, if you don't have a background of the story, let me calm down a little bit. I shall calm down. Okay, so Dangote refinery wanted to put out a refinery, and so they got land from the Lagos state government, and they paid $100 million. We didn't know. It wasn't public, or maybe some people knew, but it wasn't public knowledge. And all this while people thought that the land was given to Dangote freely. There was even a time when the Nigerian NNPC said they had made investment, they had paid money. It was when Katakata bus, there was issue between the Nigerian government and NNPC. Remember when NNPC was about to finish, they didn't want to buy. In short, a whole lot of problem. Almost as if people, they didn't want that refinery to stand to succeed. Yes, Dangote has a lot of his baggage. They do anyhow. But on this matter, you have to know. Now we have to ask, why is it that people don't want this refinery to be? At least we will not be importing anymore. Let people buy, from me. He will employ labor. He will also produce raw material that people don't have to go far to go and buy. They can easily get. So let the refinery stand. Yes, some people say monopoly, but right now, do we have any alternative? Instead of giving it to people abroad, at least let us give it to him here, and he will have to pay taxes at the end of the day. For us, so especially for me, it's all about what makes Nigeria win. It's not about what makes you or I win. It's about the greater good, because when it's good for everybody, it will end up being good for us too. So when all of that was going on within that fight, that's when Dangote came to drop this, that he paid $100 million. People were like, 100 kwa? Where is the $100 million? Then the people that own Lagos, there are people who say they own Lagos. Now all of us, so they see us as slaves. We are there fighting ourselves, beating ourselves up, but we are nothing. And so they went to court. But let me not go too far. Let me come back to what Sahara Reporter is saying. The application seeks to compel Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the Attorney General, the Accountant General, the Permanent Secretary of the Lands Bureau, and the Lagos State Government to confirm the veracity of Dangote's claim. What's wrong with that? This matter is not even supposed to go to court. The moment they said it, the government is supposed to be serving the people. Bring it out and put it out. But if it is citizens that will sit there, Aisha and Sufu, that account you gave on the donation for election, it is not as professional as we gave you all the money that came in. We gave you everything, how they were spent, how they were sent in. Everything was broken down. You saw it to the extent of how many pieces of everything was bought and what was the unit cost. Yet you are saying the account was not this thing. We told you everywhere that money went. Yet you are saying but say the one, government, that you are paying their salary. People in government, you are paying their salary, are saying to you they will not give you anything. You go to court, the court is siding them, and you have not done anything. Your energy is on Aisha is for another citizen. Shame on us all. The Federal High Court sitting in Lagos, presided over by Justice A. Faji, has dismissed the suit seeking an order of mandamus to compel the Lagos state government to release details of the expenditure of $100 million received from Alhaji Aliko Dangote. In delivering judgment, Justice Faji ruled that the Lagos state government could not be compelled to disclose the requested information as the law mandating such disclosure had not been domesticated in the state. Our judges say, some of our judges, now only God go help us deal with them. Let them feel the karma here before they reach over there. The case involves a request for clarification on claims by prominent business magnate Alhaji Dangote, who asserted that he paid $1 million to the Lagos state government to acquire land for its refinery in the Ibeju-Lekki area of the state. The application seeks to compel these people to confirm the veracity of Dangote's claim. Specifically, the court was urged to compel the state government to disclose whether Dangote's assertion that he paid 100 million to the government was factual or erroneous. The applicant, the Renaissance Patriots Foundation and Ibeju-Lekki People's Forum, noted that should the application be successful, they would want the Lagos state government to provide a comprehensive and detailed account of the transaction, addressing critical questions such as why there was no public statement issued regarding this significant financial transaction. The lawsuit sought to uncover the truth surrounding Dangote's claim and ensure transparency and accountability in the handling of public funds. The application was filed by the Renaissance Patriots Foundation and Ibeju-Lekki People's Forum, joining Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Lagos State Governor, all those Attorney General, and I'm trying to make sure that the video is not too long. The motion filed and registered by the court with suit number FHCL CS 1603-2024 at 1:20 p.m. on Friday, September 6, 2024, asks the court for an order of mandamus to be issued against the respondent to compel the Lagos state government to release the information required by the applicants. Meanwhile, the decision of the court has sparked concerns regarding transparency and accountability in governance, particularly in cases involving a significant public funds. According to a statement signed by Lasisi Roberts, Assembly of Lagos Youth, the ruling has drawn criticism from stakeholders who argue that the public policy and the public interest should have been key consideration in the court's decision. Observers contend that withholding such financial details undermines public confidence in governance and accountability. Residents of Ibeju-Lekki, where the funds were reportedly intended for development, continue to face significant infrastructural deficits. They should just let them continue, probably before they get to the High Court, or when they get to the High Court, they might get the justice that they need. Many communities in the area lack stable electricity, quality educational institutions, and standard healthcare facilities. Critics argue that the absence of transparency in the management of such substantial funds exacerbates the socio-economic challenges faced by local population. It said legal and governance analysts have expressed concern that this ruling may set a precedent for non-disclosure of critical financial transactions involving public institutions. I think I'm just going to stay here to say that at the end of the day, we the citizens are the ones who are suffering, yet instead of us to come together and face the people that are making us to suffer, we'll rather fight each other. Thank you for watching.